Hello, my name is Mike Welker, Coordinator of E-Learning Innovation and Instructional Designer here at North Central State College. And in this 2 minutes of pedagogy, we're going to look at a very popular topic of interest, that is active learning. What is it? It's a term that's often bandied around and has different meanings in different contexts. But in the simplest form, and such as in this model from D. Fink, it's just about doing or watching somebody doing something with the information. Obviously, they need the baseline material to make sense of the experience, whatever it may be, and then all important reflection to decompress over what just happened. But direct doing and observing in any way, shape, or form are the simplest versions of that. Why do that? As many studies and research and the scholarship has now shown us, the lecture is the poorest means, a bad shotgun at best, for retention or engagement of students and ineffective learning. So higher order forms such as active learning have deeper retention, higher engagement, and able to use the information crucially in a authentic context or in a workplace after graduation. How do it? Many different techniques. Some of them here, and each of these will be subjects of future pedagogy minutes, where we've got everything from flipped classrooms, where you're taking that live class time and focusing exclusively on doing or using. Same thing with a team-based learning approach, or even to some extent a project-based learning approach, or more discrete techniques such as a fishbowl activity or a jigsaw activity or question circles. So that is a bare bones basic of what active learning is. Feel free to follow up with us for more information.